All right, the 40-volt Lynx chainsaw from Harbor Freight. Is it any good? What do you get in the box? How does it work? Let's find out. All right, after unboxing, this is what you get. Of course, you get the chainsaw, you get a bar cover, you get the charger, and you get battery. Any Lynx product is gonna have a battery and a charger with it, which is awesome, I think. I already put the bar and the chain and some bar and chain oil in the chainsaw. I didn't think you wanted to watch me do that. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just put it on and tighten it on there. So how does it work? Let's find out. All right, this little stump here is probably about 4 or 5 inches wide, so I'll take a couple slices out of it so you can see how well this thing cuts. As you can see, it ramps up pretty quickly. It's not an immediate response from the throttle, but give it about 1.5 seconds, 2 seconds, and it goes to full speed. So overall, I think it's a great little chainsaw. It's not too big. Of course, it's not gonna do big jobs, but for what I'm gonna use it for, I think it's great. It cuts really well. It is rather lightweight, but also feels very solid built. It doesn't feel too cheap and plasticky like it's gonna fall apart. So I am gonna do a follow-up review on this after a month of ownership, or maybe 3 months, and let you know how it's been after that. But as of right now, I think it's a good little machine. One of the features I really like about this is the battery will show you the actual battery life left on it. So if you hit this button here, as you can see right there, maybe you can't see it too well because it's pretty bright outside, but it does light up and it shows you how much battery life is left. So if you're using this thing for a little while and you're wondering, hey, has it got any juice left? You can hit a button on the battery and it'll tell you. Thank you to Fresca for sponsoring this video. Without your efforts and your wonderful funding, I could not keep on going with Jimmy's Garage. So thank you, Fresca. Guys, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more videos. I appreciate you watching, and stay tuned as I'm going to do an update video on this chainsaw after I get a lot more use out of it. Take care, everybody.